In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix recycle bin missing in Windows 10. So as we can see, recycle bin is missing. So to show recycle bin, click on Start, then Settings. In here, click on Personalization. Now click on Themes and click on Desktop icon Settings. Now in here you need to select this box Recycle bin. Then click on Apply. Then click on OK. Now close it. So as we can see now, recycle bin is appear. That's it. So by this quick method, we can know how to fix recycle bin missing in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.